Good day guys, welcome to one of my tutorial videos, and in this video today we'll be looking at how to complete a square. Alright, we're gonna be looking at the most easiest way to complete a square, and then we're gonna go from easiest to the much more complex one. We're gonna do the red underlined question here, the red mark question are the questions that we're gonna be doing or focusing on. So without any further ado, let's get on to it. Right, the first question that we're going to be tackling, it's what it says, x squared plus 8x. Right, so how would you complete the square of this? How you go about this is going to be x plus 4 squared minus 4 squared. Right, so basically what you do is that you take how do you go about this question is that you take this coefficient of x, you divide it by 2, hence I got 4 here, you divide it by 2, and then after you got the value after you got the value of b of a, which is 4, what you do is that you subtract the whole bracket by what? By this, you subtract the whole bracket by the squared value of what? Of b, by the squared value of a, I mean, right? Which means this 4. Okay, let's go over again. Let me see if I'm making much sense. So basically what you do here is that you take the value of what? You take the value of x, you half it, you multiply it by half, right? And then you get what? You get your value of what? You get your value of a, as in this question. Right, after you get your value of a, what you do, you then take the value of a and then you square it, right? And then you take the value of a and then you subtract the squared value of a, basically, right? So yeah, let's get to it. Let's solve the question. So what you're gonna get is gonna be x squared plus 8x is gonna be equals to x plus 4 squared minus what? 4 squared is what? It's 16. Right, so this is what? This is our answer. Nothing difficult, guys. This is not rocket science. And then the second question you're gonna be looking at, D. Let me leave much more space here. Let me leave better space. We're gonna be looking at D. D says x squared plus 15x. Right, same concept, guys. X, you're gonna take x plus what? Plus, and then take the value of what? Take the value of 15, take the value of x, and then divide by what? By 2. So it's gonna be what? It's gonna be 15 over 2 squared, and then you what? You subtract by the squared value of b. You subtract by the squared value of b. So let's get on to it, guys. X squared plus 15x is equals to x plus 15 over 2 squared. So what's 15 squared? 15 squared is 225 over, what's 2 squared? 2 squared, it's 4. Right, so basically completed the question. Ladies and gentlemen. There's nothing difficult to this. The third question you're gonna do is that it's G. What does G require us to do? Completing a square, I guess, because we've been doing this is the main purpose, the aim of this video. Okay, let's look. What's the question? The question is x squared, right, plus 7x plus 1 is equals to, same concept, guys, same concept. X, the value of what? Look at the coefficient of x, divide by 2. Same concept, plus 7 over 2. That's your what? That's your a. And then your what? You subtract by the squared value of what? You subtract by the squared value of a, which is 7 over 2 squared. And then since we have a constant here, since we have another constant which is 1, we're not just gonna leave it there. It's part of the equation. We're just gonna add it. Simple, guys. We're gonna add it. This part of the equation. It reminds me of my maths teacher. I love that guy. I miss him. Plus 1 is equals to, then it's gonna be what? X plus 7 over 2 squared minus, and then we're gonna do what's there, just gonna be the answer. That's gonna be 49 over what? 49 over 4 plus 1. Let's continue. X squared plus 7x plus 1 is equals to, it's gonna be x plus 7 over 2, then the whole thing squared minus, and then we're gonna be what? We're gonna do what? We're gonna have to solve this down. We have to solve this fraction. We have to solve this fraction. Easy, guys. This is grade 7. This is grade 7 work. How do you do this? We're gonna find the common denominator. For common denominator, take 4 multiplied by what? 4 multiplied by 1. We're gonna get what? 4. And then it's gonna be minus 49 plus 4. It's gonna be what? Minus 49 plus 4 is going to be minus 45. It's going to be 45 over 4, basically. You see. So, yeah, guys. Easy. The last question we're going to do H. We're going to do H, guys. We're going to do H. So, let's look at H here. Let's look at H. What does H require us? What is require us of? It says, H says x squared minus 3x plus 4. Same concept. X, you see that this sign is what is negative. You're gonna put it here because you're looking for the value of what? The coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is negative. You're gonna carry that with, you won't just dump it or leave the sign or be positive. You're looking at the sign, then this whole thing is gonna be squared. Then you subtract by what? You subtract by the squared value of the coefficient of x, which is what? By 3 over 2, which is that value of b, that value of a, I mean. And then since we have a constant here, we're gonna add it. We won't just dispose it. It's part of the equation a. And then it's gonna be x squared minus 3x plus 4 is equals to x minus 3 over 2 squared. What product are we gonna get here? It's gonna be 3 squared. It's gonna be 9 minus 9 over 4 plus 4. Right. And then our final answer is gonna be x squared minus 3x plus 4 is equals to what? It's equals to x minus 3 over 2 squared, then minus 9 over 4 plus 4. Simple equations, guys. Simple. So now we're gonna solve this. As I've said before, you take the what, you find the common denominator, which is gonna be 4. Take this 4 multiplied by this 4, it's 16. Right. Minus 9 plus 16 is gonna be what? Minus 9 plus 16 is gonna be 7. So it's gonna be 7 over 4. Because now it's going to be minus 9 plus 16 is going to be positive, because you are moving to the more positive side. It's going to be 7 over 4. What am I doing now? 7 over 4, basically. Yeah, let me just write it neatly so that you can see much more clearer. Minus 3x plus 4 is equals to x minus 3 over 2 squared plus 7 over 4. So yeah, guys, basically that is it. There's nothing more difficult here. All these answers are correct. If you have any comments or you want to add anything, you can just comment below on my channel. And then if you really say maybe you love my content, you want to help, you want to help with mathematics and science, I would consider you, I'd motivate you to subscribe to my channel. Don't have a specific date where or specific day where I post my videos, but I'm gonna try by all means to make this channel much more constant or consistent, you see, because I'm myself improving in my science. And also, yeah, guys, so yeah, thank you very much for watching. Have a blessed one, and also stay smart.